Crypto coins stay a top decision for financial backers because of their rewarding open doors, while there is a ton of vulnerability and unpredictability on the lookout. Genuinely numerous financial backers see extremely extraordinary, especially expected in different coins. Digital currencies like the torrential slide have turned into a top pick for financial backers. The fame of the torrential slide network has been most certainly ascribed to its hardy essentials and the different advantages it offers. These incorporate its lightning-quick exchange rates and adaptability. With an ongoing return for capital invested of 3,337.96%, the organization is definitely worth putting resources into. The coin's worth has developed altogether, offering a brilliant possibility for what's to come. Notwithstanding, doing a reasonable level of effort is crucial prior to putting resources into any crypto coin. You should know about authentic value patterns and specialized examination to know the best chance to purchase and in every practical sense. Sell your crypto coin. In this way, to especially put resources into torrential slide and need a point-by-point examination, we fundamentally have one for you. We will examine the torrential slide cost expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, and 2030. Along these lines, you can come up with an optimal methodology for putting resources into this coin. Torrential slide outline. In the first place, we really want to basically get an outline of the coin to grasp its exceptionally by and large advancement. Torrential slide is one of the top performing crypto coins that has kept up with its development. Hence, it has turned into the top pick for the overwhelming majority financial backers lately. The ongoing cost of the digital currency known as torrential slide basically is $13.45. It is positioned 18th in the crypto biological system. The organization has a dissemination supply of 310,564,672 and a market cap of $4,177,736,564. The cost of the torrential slide has expanded by 1.75% as of now. This is genuinely because of the expansion in its exchanging volume. The most recent 7 days have seen the ascent of the torrential slide organization. It's presently in a solid vertical pattern and could be an extraordinary chance to get in on the activity. The cost of the digital money known as torrential slide especially has diminished by 15.449% somewhat recently. This unexpected drop has made the coin turned into a decent purchase, a potential open door for financial backers. The new market auction is one reason that the costs of all crypto coins have radically fallen. Torrential slide has generally lost around 80% of its worth since February 2nd. The Russian attack calls for guidelines in the crypto market, and tech auction basically are only a couple of purposes for torrential slide's extraordinary cost fall, which sort of is very critical. Torrential slide value expectation 2023. The torrential slide establishment has as of late sent off a program pointed toward speeding up the reception of its imaginative subnet usefulness. This permits a rich environment of blockchains to be constructed. The objective of the torrential slide establishment's impetus program is to help the improvement of new biological systems. It's likewise centered around supporting the reception of its subnets, a Web3 dApp scaling arrangement. The cost of the cryptographic money known as torrential slide could increment by up to 15% in the event that the organization's advancements certainly proceed. Be that as it may, assuming the market neglects to refresh and the cost of the money deteriorates, then it could drop to $13.76. In view of the potential situations in general, the normal cost of the digital currency by 2023 could be around $14.74. Financial backers ought to recollect that these costs are dependent on future developments because of the great unpredictability on the lookout. It is imperative to remain refreshed with the recent fads to guarantee you can contribute brilliantly and get an ideal profit from your venture. Torrential slide value expectation 2024 specialists and examiners have an uplifting perspective for digital currencies in 2024, since the ubiquity and the attention to computerized resources would by and large build. The interest for different digital currencies, including torrential slide, will in every way that really matters keep on developing. Along these lines, we can hope to see an expansion in its worth. The solid basics of the organization could prompt more acknowledgments and new selections, which would push the cost of the digital currency higher, which is genuinely critical. By 2024, the computerized symbolic's worth could arrive at a limit of $22.65 in the event that the crypto resource goes through critical liquidations. The cost of the torrential slide could drop to $18.91. Notwithstanding, to in every way that really matters keep up with its worth, a harmony in the exchange practices of the business could assist the digital money with coming to $20.78. Torrential slide value expectation 2025. It is implied in the forecast of the cost for a kind of long-haul period that one ought to examine the verifiable information of the cryptographic money in a kind of significant manner. Doing so assists one with deciding how it acts when the bear market dominates. On the off chance that the altcoin gets impacted by bad feelings or administrative limitations, the cost of the cryptographic money could tumble to $22.77, which is genuinely huge. Nonetheless, on the off chance that it can beat these impediments, the cost of the digital currency could in a real sense reach $25.31 in an unpretentious manner. Many individuals accept that the job of blockchain innovation and cryptographic money will increment altogether by 2025. Consequently, there is a kind of good possibility that we can see a positive effect on the crypto market. An expansion popular for the torrential slide will push the coin's worth up. In any case, financial backers need to know that these are simply hypotheses and shouldn't put resources into the coin in view of these projections. You really want to watch out for the changing elements in the financial circumstance that will influence the crypto coin's worth. Torrential slide long haul figure 2030. Since there fundamentally are no set boundaries or key execution markers, it turns out to be generally difficult to anticipate the crypto coin's worth in the long haul. Not at all like stock. No monetary records, articulations, incomes, or proportion examinations can truly assist you with assessing the coin's worth in the following 5 to 10 years. By the by, we have gathered information from different examination devices to especially give you a thought regarding the conceivable worth of the torrential slide coin in 2030. The crypto coin will probably exchange around the kind of normal cost of $790 to $800. The most noteworthy exchanging worth can really be around $930, though the least cost for the torrential slide coin can be about $750 to $760. Most financial backers will more often than not contribute for a drawn-out period to partake in a by and large great return and to save themselves from unpredictability. Torrential slide value examination. The torrential slide digital money was unveiled in September 2020. While the coin was exchanging for around $3 to $7 in the initial 4 to 5 months after its send-off, its worth saw a quick flood in 2021 amazingly. The coin's worth came to $47 continuously 7-day stretch of February. Notwithstanding, the coin's worth declined for the following a half year prior to arriving at an unequaled high worth of $146.22 on November 21, 2021. While the crypto coin encountered some highs and lows, it's seeing a negative pattern since the third 7-day stretch of WAC 2022. Torrential slide coin has lost over 80% of its worth and is exchanging at $23 as of July 19, 2022, which is very critical. The instability of the digital currency market has impacted the cost of the torrential slide. Over the most recent 14 days, the altcoin has dropped by 25.0%, given the ongoing ideal market cap. This present time is a decent opportunity to purchase this resource, albeit the cost of Avax has dropped by 4.7%, still a wise venture for those who are hoping to add a couple of mint pieces to their assortment. The cost of the altcoin changed between a high of $146 and a low of $48.06 during the beyond 90 days. This addresses a 208% swing, which is genuinely critical.